Welcome to my class, my dear friends. So, today we will learn about the landforms of the earth. Okay? So, our first topic is processes by which landforms are created. So, our first process is internal process. So it leads to upliftment and sinking of earth surface. The second process is external process. So it leads to wearing down and rebuilding of land surface. The wearing down of land is called erosion, and land surface lowered by the process of erosion, and it rebuilt by the process of deposition. These two processes are done by running water, wind, air. So now land forms of the earth. Okay. So see this page. So the first landform is mountain, okay, and the second is plateau, not plateau, plain, and the third is plateau, okay. So now we will read about mountain. So mountain. So what is mountain? Mountain is natural elevation of the earth. All mountains have top called peak. Like peak of Mount Everest is called summit. Okay. So mountains also have broad base, and they also have glaciers. So what are glaciers? In some mountains there are permanently frozen rivers. Okay. Permanently frozen rivers of ice. They are called glaciers. So there are three types of mountains: fold mountain, block mountain, volcanic mountain. Okay. So now we will read about the fold mountain. Okay. Sorry my dear friends, but I forgot to tell you one thing, that if the mountain is in a line like this, it's called a mountain range. Okay. So now fold mountains. So what are fold mountains? How they are formed? So fold mountains are formed when the land gets uplifted because of the compressional forces acting on it. A fold mountain is formed by the compressional forces acting on it, like what I told you about the internal process. By the internal process, the fold mountain are formed. Okay. So the examples of fold mountain are Himalaya, Aravalli range. So you see this is a group of mountains in line wise. So this is one range. This is Aravalli range. This Aravalli range is one of the oldest fold mountain system in the world. Okay. So now block mountain. So block mountain are created when large areas are broken and displaced vertically. Rhine Valley and Vosges mountain are examples of block mountain. See, this is Vosges mountain. So now we will read about the volcanic mountain. So volcanic mountain. So volcanic mountain are formed due to volcanic activity, like Mt. Kilimanjaro, Mt. Fujiyama, Mount St. Helens. Like this, there are many volcanic mountains. You see this picture. This Mount St. Helens is bursting down and smoke is coming out of the mountain. It means it will burst in some hours. Means lava will come out of this mountain. Okay. So now we will read about plateaus. So how plateaus are formed? Plateau is a elevated flat land. A plateau has one or more sides with steep slope. So the plateaus are formed because of the upward movement in the Earth's crust. Okay. So there are many plateaus like Deccan Plateau. Deccan Plateau is the oldest plateau of the world. Okay, so it covers the southern India. It covers 8 states. Okay, so the Tibet Plateau is the highest plateau of the world. Its height is 4,000 to 5,000 meters. So one thing you know, my dear friends, that the plateaus are rich in minerals. There are many minerals in plateaus, like African plateau is famous for gold and diamond, and this is Chota Nagpur plateau. It is famous for iron, gold and manganese. Many minerals are found in Chota Nagpur plateau. Okay. One thing you know, my dear friends, in a plateau there is waterfalls, like in Deccan Plateau there is Shiva Samudra Falls. Okay. And like this there are other waterfalls like Jog Falls, Hundru Falls. So now we will read about plains. So plains. So how plains are formed? Plains are large stretches of flat land. So the river flow down the slopes of mountain and erode them. Erode them means color materials like stone, sand, silt. They carry forward the eroded material. They deposit their load consisting of stone, sand, silt and many things like this in their valleys. From these deposits, plains are formed. So one of the plain in India is northern plains of, it is called northern plains of India or Indo-Gangetic plains. Okay, so this much for today, my dear friends. Thank you. Please like, subscribe and share this video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel.